Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the MEARL Advisor channel, your go-to source for everything monitoring, evaluation, accountability, research, and learning. I'm Joe, and today's session is part of our Science of Where for Sustainable Development program series. We're diving into how monitoring and evaluation, or M&E, can be supercharged using spatial data, real-time analytics, and GIS tools to improve program performance and sustainability. Whether you're in the field, managing data, or shaping policy, today's insights will help you make evidence-based decisions that drive impact. Why M&E matters for the SDGs. Monitoring and evaluation isn't just a reporting requirement. It's a continuous feedback loop that tells us what's working, what's not, and how to improve. Especially in Sustainable Development Goal programs, where complex interventions span across locations and timeframes, we need tools that allow us to monitor, visualize, and evaluate activities geospatially. M&E framework: report, monitor, evaluate. Let's break down the three layers of M&E from a GIS perspective. 1. Reporting: getting data from the field. Reporting begins with data collection. This could mean surveys, high-accuracy GPS mapping, satellite imagery, or drone data. The key is collecting accurate, timely, and geotagged data. Tools like Survey 123, Collector for ArcGIS, and Drone2Map help you. Collect structured data using mobile forms, XLS forms. Capture points, lines, and polygons. Use high-accuracy GNSS units. Attach media like photos and videos. A great example: in Colombia, Survey 123 was used with GPS to map disputed land boundaries for negotiations, providing real evidence for peaceful land resolution. 2. Monitoring: real-time awareness and field coordination. Monitoring is about tracking progress as it happens. Esri tools like Workforce for ArcGIS, Navigator, and Operations Dashboard help us manage and monitor field operations. Workforce assigns tasks to mobile teams. Navigator provides offline routing using custom road or water networks, critical in areas like Madagascar for food delivery. Dashboards give live overviews of activities, progress, and issues. These tools work online and offline, allowing teams to operate in remote areas while staying connected to the central database. 3. Evaluation: visualizing impact and improving performance. Evaluation is where we step back and ask, did this work? Why or why not? GIS brings unique strengths here. We can overlay indicators, visualize spatial patterns, and identify gaps. Key evaluation tools include Insights for ArcGIS, for exploratory spatial data analysis; Web App Builder, to build custom dashboards and story maps; ArcGIS Pro and Spatial Analyst, for deep geostatistical modeling. Take the example of the World Food Program in Yemen. They built an impact summary dashboard that combined real-time metrics, distribution data, and beneficiary numbers, updated as field data came in. The tools you'll need. Let's summarize the GIS tools you'll need across the M&E lifecycle. Phase tools used: purpose: planning, ArcGIS desktop, ArcGIS online schema design, base maps, indicator setup; coordination: workforce for ArcGIS, Navigator task assignment, offline navigation; collection: Survey 123, Collector, Drone2Map field data capture, GPS tagging; monitoring: dashboards, Web App Builder, story maps, real-time insights, trend analysis; evaluation: insights for ArcGIS, spatial analyst, deep analysis, reporting, visual storytelling. And yes, all these tools are interconnected through the ArcGIS ecosystem, which can run in the cloud or your own organization system. Practical tips for M&E design. Let me leave you with 6 practical tips for optimizing your M&E setup with GIS. Think spatial. Always collect where data. It adds tremendous context. Design schemas early. Structure your databases around the indicators you want to track. Use validation logic. Limit human error with domain values and dropdowns. Go offline ready. Ensure your teams can work without connectivity. Iterate quickly. Use dashboards to identify issues and improve in real time. Visualize before reporting. Use maps and charts to analyze, not just to present. What's next? In the next series of M&E capacity building coaching, we will focus on engaging stakeholders and beneficiaries, a crucial part of M&E success. We'll explore how to co-design indicators, visualize shared goals, and build trust through transparency. In summary, monitoring and evaluation for sustainable development goals is evolving fast, and GIS is helping us move from static reports to dynamic, real-time insights. If you found today's walkthrough helpful, like this video and subscribe for more M&E tech content. As well, drop your questions or tool experiences in the comments section. Watch continuation of this on monitoring, real-time visibility into field operation video. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next session.